Good morning, community partners, Chandler Unified School District friends, parents, papás y mamás, abuelitos y abuelitas, teachers, and students and staff. Welcome to your new Galveston Elementary School. Okay, thank you everyone. We're gonna do a quick tour. I wanna let you know this is a 2-year project. What we really wanted to accentuate is the community base of this campus. And so this courtyard really represents the hub, the middle of the neighborhood for Galveston Elementary School.
Guys, this is 63 years in the making, 63. This is the right time, the right place, and guess what? It was ready for you, the students of Galveston, to be able to prosper and move forward. It's a testament to our community and our city of Chandler's commitment and collaboration to reinvesting in your Galveston neighborhood.
Everyone's gonna know this is Galveston Elementary School. When kids are so young, something to be proud of, something to belong to. We know that's very, very important right now. So they can say that we are Galveston Lions and they wear the shirts proudly. Now they have a brand new campus that they can be very proud of. I just love this because from our second floor windows, they can open a book and read and then also look out on a clear day, you can see Camelback Mountain.
We aim to provide learning experiences that inspire your curiosity and creativity and growth, collaboration and adaptability, critical thinking and problem solving.
As governing board president, I have had the privilege of serving during a remarkable time of growth in our district. We've witnessed the construction of many schools, but today we celebrate something truly special, the rebuild of Galveston Elementary School. This school represents the future of education. Its innovative, flexible learning spaces are thoughtfully designed with every child in mind.
Every child deserves a quality learning environment where we can help them reach their full potential. Galveston Elementary will be a beacon of that promise. It's really important to note that this school was not done in the traditional way. We took parent input, we took student input, we worked with those and took teacher input, and we put together a plan that said, what does 21st century look like? And then that built our pathway. Together, let's continue to nurture the legacy of Galveston Elementary while embracing the innovations that will shape the future of education in CUSD. We are excited to see what the future has in store for Galveston Lions.